Hi guys, welcome to this new video. In this video I'll be explaining to you how to compare two different documents in Word. So this might be handy when you are working with a teammate and you want to see the changes he made or he wants to see the changes you made. So the first step, you go to Word. So I already opened my first original document. This is, for instance, a document you made and he changed it. To see the differences you have to press review, then compare. Make sure to press compare instead of combine, because if you combine it you will just have one document with all the revisions from multiple authors into a single document. So make sure to press compare. Now this is what you get in your screen. So make sure to search for the original document. This is in my case version 1. The other one which your teammate could have made is version 2. So press OK. Once you press OK, it will take a little bit time to load, but now it's actually here. So on the left you have this little summary of all the changes that are between these documents, which is totally unnecessary for this video, so I just put that away. And now we have 3 tabs left. So the first one is the two documents, so version 1 and version 2 combined into one, with all the changes marked with this red line on the left. The top right tab is the tab of the original document. You can see that's right here. This is version 1, and the bottom right is the second document, version 2. So that's it. This is how you compare two documents. And there is actually another way which I wanted to show you. So you have to close this window here. Don't save. You can save it of course if you want to, but this is not really important. Like you can see, there is this document, our first original document again. So what we did now was create another document where all the changes are appeared. But what you can actually do is compare. Of course version 1 and version 2 again, but now tap more and then do original document instead of new document and press OK again. What's happening now is you are opening it in the same document. So instead of creating a new one, you just replace the original with this comparison. So you can click this away, and here is the original version and here is the revised version, and this is again the two versions combined. That was the end of this quick tutorial. I hope you liked it, and if it helps you out, please consider subscribing, since it helps our channel and it is free.